Hello, welcome. Now we look at the practical side of the 80/20 setup. Firstly, we just started to use the 30-minute win where we set up the assignment with the title page, table of contents, and references list. So we just started it. Now, the most important part in this video, we will be covering not the actual research processes, how to find things and all that, but mostly we will be covering how to be productive, saving time mainly, and plus increase the quality of my work, I mean getting more marks. So we already done the copy and paste rubric part, and then first thing I look at the time management point of view. So we just spread around our assignment. If you look at it, all the light blue colors which you did it last week assignment work, so we did in a chunks, mostly 1 hour, 30 to 40 minutes you work, rest is a break or just a review thing what you've done. This is human ability, and if you focus, I mostly do all the creative research work in the morning when you're fresh, and not later than that. You can use sometime when you want to review or read it, but researching is the core of the ability to learn new things, especially when you have to use your creative mind. Keep going in there. For example, this is we are working on right now as well to finalizing. So this is time point of view, because cognitive theory says work when you're fresh, your brain is not very much exhausted or tired. All right, so the second thing, so chunks we told about it, and the next thing is to have a centralized folder with all the rubric PDF image attached to your calendar event as well. So what I am going to show you, I'll be moving around here and there. So if you look at the assignment, this is my assignment, this is a requirement, this is the assignment, I'm working on it, you can see the time, and these are sources. Whatever I search, I have the PDF. Even the web pages I saved as PDF. Let me show you web page. Where is the web page? So for example, this one allows you to have a download PDF which you want to keep it. These are the backup things where you, if teachers doubt or something, internet doesn't work or anything, so you can go back to it. And yeah, so I can show you the web pages as well. I think now we go back to we covered this, and let's look at the how do we do the extracting information. As we said, so anything you copy and paste from there, just keep it in a table, one cell table with the text you want to use it and the link as well. And also we show you how to do the citation as well. So let me show you this part. How did we do it? So within the assignment, I created 2 tabs. You can add a tab there. So there's a little bit of technology you are learning along the side as well. And this is your final report. So in here, I went to this website in research notes. This is more like a rubric and all those things. So this is the thing I got it from the website, and I can go there, get the stuff, paste it here, and also print that one. That's the other people ask me, how do we get this PDF of this? Simply, you have to just print and you save as PDF. So directly save onto your Google folder. So this will always stay there. There's another beautiful part of this one. You can also do in chunks. If you save everything on Google, even on the mobile, you can access these things. You're sitting somewhere for 10-15 minutes waiting. You say, look, let me have a little bit of Googling about my thing, and just copy paste those information here. You don't need too much. So I'm not going to do every single thing. I'm showing you the process, because that's your job is to, I'm giving you clues how to do it. Now we go back to we've done this part, and how to add a source I can show you in the final report. But before we do there, I show you the final report. That will be a good one. That will be a good one. Just go there. I can go there. Let's show it here. So this is what we are expecting from you. I'll explain all these things later, but I wanted to show tools and citation. I only added one. I want you to do the other one yourself, so you can add another citation, fill the form. I'm not going to do it right now. It's going to make video very long. So, and then I use that wherever I need to. If, for example, if I need it here, I simply say cite. This is I don't want to do too much. I want you to explore. And how do I get there? From here. I want you to explore, learn from it, and apply it. for little thing you can Google is how to use this, how to use that. That's where you learn more better. Okay, so we go back to the thing, we covered that. Now we open it up in a create a source folder. We done that. I showed you you can download, do in chunks. I showed you how to do in a calendar. You have to have at least 2 PDF downloaded in the sources folder. So I want to see you can do it. And search information from your sources to relevant assignment report section, add the references. I show you how to do it. And that's now the final thing, which is we're going to learn today how to make it increase the quality presentation mostly. I'll make it a little bigger so you can just read more about it. Okay, first thing first, you use normally the title for the title. The reason is title using because it will not come into the table of contents. The second thing I did, this image and kind of thing, you can use Google search image, but if you need something creative touch, nobody's gonna, I can give actually credit to this. You can put in a credit a reference, say AI reference, you can put AI reference and prompt in. You can put the in there. You can just put this in your reference as well. But this is not part of the assignment in terms of quality. We just say, look, you can Google from, you can get an image from Google as well, but you can use AI as well. It's the same thing. You need to give a reference what to use. For example, I just show you, where is the prompt go? I think this is a prompt. No, I put somewhere. Anyway, I'll give you the prompt later. I had it here. Maybe have it here. So this is the prompt where we ask something to it. And this is also a creativity. Writing a prompt is a creative work as well. And you just you can give a prompt details. You can put your name. All right, and you can put the reference, like normally the reference as well. So these are the information very important as they required to part of the kind of a legal document submission. Table of contents should have a table of contents, but I didn't apply any style to it because otherwise it'll come inside. So all these things come because we use the style, and we are stylish people, so that's why we use style. And I'm going to show you a few more things in here. Now we're talking about the presentation, which is the third part of it. You can see I use a blue, and teacher, for example, say, I don't like blue and thing. I can make in a one go all of them in a different color. For example, you want a light blue, and all I'm gonna say, if you look at down, so just keep an eye. This is different blue. This one is different blue. All I'm gonna say, go back there, select it, and say update. Update style to match. All of the other will change the color. Similarly, your teacher says, this is normal text. Say, look, I need double spaces because I'm going to print and write things down. All you need to just get one of these, make double space, for example, and just say match, and you'll see everything will be double spaces now. You can manually change as well. For example, this one, you don't need double space. I made something. You need to manually, the ones you don't need, you can do manually. Okay. All right. So these are the options you can use from there. Citation I already showed you. Where these come from? These come from insert header and footer, which is page elements. Header and footer. There will be repeated text on top. If I double click, very importantly, if you look at, I use first page differently. See the different first page? I don't want a header and footer on first page. So this is another trick. This is line you can insert line from, and then footer has my name and also a page number, which are dynamically fit in there. Insert page number. These are productivity tools you don't have to do manually. There's another trick. Did you notice every section start from new page? So how did I do it? What I did in heading 1, I went to this area and say add page break before. So they looks professional, and they don't come things together as well. The other thing I wanted to show is the last thing, most probably. Never ever use. So these are reference lists. You can. This is pretty good. if somebody wants to doubt on your thing, they can look here and say, look, where you get this from. For example, there's a plagiarism tool in Google Classroom. We normally turn it on and to see, did you copy paste something or what did you do? But if I want to know where you got it from, I need a reference there. Not if you say 20 pages, I'm not going to read 20 pages. I need to know page number reference where you get it from. Anyway, that's not the research is not a focus. I'm not going to look at the quality of text you put it there. I want to see your presentation, productivity, calendar view as well. So did you notice these empty spaces? Why is empty spaces? Because there's a normal childish thing we normally do. I don't know why there's empty spaces. Nothing written there. So there's a beautiful thing called view. Show non-printing characters. Don't be scared. These are end of paragraph. These are spaces, and this is extra paragraph. I have to delete them. Never use enter to go to new page, a space. This is a tool there. See, it's so annoying. So there's a tool there which is you can use to give a space. Is go to custom spacing. You can add space before line spacing. Everything you can control. Otherwise, control enter or insert page break. Okay, you can give section break, page break. All these things you should explore it. All right, so that's about it. This is your benchmark. The other thing, if teachers say I need in a PDF, you can export as PDF. If they say give me a link of Google Doc, give a link of to Google Doc. If they say I need Word document, you can give a Word doc. That's the beauty of Google Doc. It doesn't matter what format other people want, you still work in a Google Doc because that's your comfort zone. There's a lot of things I can cover, but this is the basic for this assignment I required from you. All right, so I want the same setup in your Google Doc. See, this is another one. Still there is a reference list and all that. And whenever you change or finalize things, make sure you update this. So this will update the link and page number if there are, but I didn't do anything, so that's why. As more you quality get, as more you get I'm going to show you rubric. So if you want to get, where's the rubric go? There's another thing you can remember I can use. So this is what's expected, having title page, table of content, headline, flawlessly format, header, leader. Detailed comparison of atmosphere, gravity, and sources with the evidence. We want to see the process, not the actual words. Innovative, logical, and practical solution for colonization, correct referencing, professional tone throughout. So that's where the leaders, if you get the errors in referencing, our recommendation was not justifiable, basic comparison table, nothing there. And formatting are wrong, so you will get into it. If you're going to go above 80, this is what is required. Thank you, and good luck, and submit this final exam. We will return the existing one, what you did, and this one is the final one we need by the due date. I hope you liked the video and you want ready to go beyond the videos. Join our full self-study master course for the complete 12-week structured semester curriculum. Unlock the professional templates, charters, and checklists you need to lead your uni studies. Click the link in the description for exclusive discount code and start your uni study successfully.